Oil pressure didn't come up.
It didn't come up. It'll take a little bit. But
Okay.
Do we need to put oil in? Do you dare do that to put oil in? Well, I don't know where you get it into the cylinders at. I guess there's no.
No, it's
No.
and that may be coming out. See, these manifolds are supposed to have drain holes under them.
Oh.
So if water gets in them, there's a drain hole there and one on the other side. So
Okay.
if they actually get water down them, they're supposed to spit it out.
Ah, all right. Well, I'm sure that they're pros. I mean,
have-
it's not real bad, just a little dust.
yeah, that may be normal.
Yeah.
Well, let me try it again.
Okay. That's definitely loosening it up.
Yeah, that's good. I don't know if that oil pressure gauge is good.
Sure.
It seemed like the one that was on this side was the one that actually worked, but it was dripping oil, and I think that one didn't work over there.
I haven't watched it.
It's not moved at all.
Okay.
You'd be picking up any oil pressure on the fuel pressure. I didn't see it come up at all.
No, we don't have the fuel on yet. That's what
Oh, okay.
I don't have any. It could have, but see, that's where we can't motor that. Pump it up.
Right.
Well, let me see here. We might be ready to try and see if we can get it. See if it wants to fire.
Now that's compression release,
Yeah, we're gonna put it over on compression.
and that's bypass.
That holds the fuel rack on until
Okay.
the oil pressure comes up. Here we go. Oh my.
Well, it smells.
It's getting.
Right.
Huh?
The rain cap is doing absolutely nothing.
Yeah, it probably won't. Yeah, because it could leak out here.
Okay, well, I just thought maybe
Yep.
it would at least move a little.
No, it's got a stovepipe on here and a
Okay. all
little
right.
pipe comes up inside it. Well, let's see. Okay, let's try this.
It just doesn't sound something. Is yours a four-door?
Okay, here we go again.
She kind of sounded like she wanted to try.
Let's start fluid. Gave it a little.
Yeah.
It smells. You know, it smells
Yeah.
like.
Yeah, but is that
How much?
No, I mean, you can smell a little. Yeah, you can smell starting fluid now.
oh yeah, I can smell it now too.
You ever sniff while she's turning, or I don't know how much you dare put in there without blowing the lid off.
Well, you got to feed them a little at a time
Fingers
rather than
crossed.
squirting a whole big bunch in there.
Well, that's why I was wondering. Just
Yeah.
keep
You gotta,
teasing it. You wanted me to come over there on
See
that
if-
other side.
yeah. Let's see what it does.
All right. Now, how long do you have to hold that for? Then,
Until the oil pressure takes over,
okay. And then once that oil pressure comes up,
then it'll hold it. It'll hold this rack over so it's on. But
okay. How can we tell when the oil pressure's up? Can we open a fitting or something, or?
yeah, that's what I was just looking to see if we've got anything. See anything handy?
You know, I've got a fitting right there. It looks like an oil pressure sending unit.